Welcome to my channel, and we are here to review a property by Omkar Group in BKC. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for more home tour videos. It's a luxurious 1 BHK apartment. Possession date would be expected in 2 to 3 months. Furnished apartment. We have a wardrobe. It's a luxurious property developed by Omkar Group. The RERA approval registration number is below, and the kitchen is so beautiful here with interior. It's a complete furnished flat. So for more information, please contact us at the below given number. There's a beautiful washroom here. We are with 4.4 into 7.8 square feet. And we have a sliding door which connects to the bedroom. You can also combine 2 flats, and we have a dry space here so that you can use this to dry your clothing. This is a tower 14 storage building. It's complete constructed, and we are here at the rooftop. Still the construction is happening. Amenities wise, we have world class. We have a gym, children's area, we have jogging track. This is a juice bar, and this is the infinity swimming pool view from here. It's a beautiful, amazing place. This is a very prime location, very connected to Kurla, BKC to Kalina. Peaceful place. This is the complete BKC you can see here. So for more information, please call on this number. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you get the notification of more home tour videos like this. Thank you for watching my channel.